There's the option to delete all user data here. Is down here at the bottom, and don't freak out about all of these no's. What this does is it causes you to really think about what you're doing, and you have to cycle all the way down here so there's no mistake and hit delete. Yes, delete all user data. And we're going to hit the center pad, formatting BP, data wipe complete. The top menu here says reboot system now, and that's what we're going to do. And you get your access memo basically screen to go ahead and activate your phone just as if you had first bought it. There is no limit to the amount of times that you activate your phone. All it does is connect to the server. It sets everything up for you. Just go ahead and follow the prompts. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll come back and show you how to change the voice code. Okay, now you can see that I've went ahead and reactivated my phone, set up my email account, so on and so forth. It's back to your standard home screen and just your generic menu, so on and so forth. So you can see that basically all my apps are gone that I had here, which is no problem. They're as easy to download again. Here's the deal. After you do this, your phone may or may not be fixed. I'm not claiming that it will, but it definitely will be reset. Okay? What you need to do is if you bricked your phone or it just wasn't working right, download your favorite apps one at a time, check them, and see if it causes any issues. When you're on the Android market, make sure you read user reviews. People will talk about it not working on the Evo, or it not working on the Droid, or it not working on something, and that's simply a firmware conflict that needs to be changed by the developers in the way that it interprets information from the hardware in the phone. So that's not anybody's fault, and hopefully the developers will fix it. What the good news is that you end up post in your comments, and if it completely sucks, then it sucks, and read it and don't install it. Simple as that. So, okay, let's change the voice code settings on this now. Basically, that's the first thing I do, just in case I get calls. This does not change anything when it comes to your phone numbers or anything like that. Without getting into a completely geeky explanation, it just it changes the way that your voice is interpreted by the microphone. Okay. What we're going to do is access our dialer by hitting the phone key. Okay, and as you can see this. Now, this constitutes a hack as well. So this is accessing basically what Verizon has set your phone to do. This is accessing the hidden menu in your settings key. Okay, and the secret code for this is pound program 7764726. Call. Asks you for a password. Okay, I'm going to hit this button and go ahead and hit 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hit verify, and it brings up a menu. Your voice code operation is voice code menu 4, and it will be set at EVRC as its native default codec. it is the worst piece of crap on this menu. 13K is older and works better, and EVR-CB is newer and works better. I personally have found that EVR-CB clears it up about 60 to 70%. You still have the firmware conflict going on a bit with these phones. Hopefully the 2.2 will fix that. If not, they're going to have a lot of unhappy customers, and somebody like me will develop a hack for it. So just stand by and don't worry about it. Basically, go ahead and set that, hit apply, okay, and it says voice code set to EVR-CB, okay, in your menu. Don't touch anything else. Back out, and you're done, okay. That's basically my tutorial on how to do that. That should fix the problem with your phone, reset everything for you. Oh, and yes, it will restart automatically when you change the voice code. Anytime you change the programming menu settings, it'll restart. You don't need to set it up. Just let it go ahead and reboot, okay? From that point on, basically, you know, just enjoy. And to me, as somebody who can hack and crack this thing, it is capable of completely roasting the iPhone and the new Droid X and the Evo because of the development capabilities that are designed in the firmware and the way that this phone works. So, yes, it's capable with any of the other phones. This one happens to be pretty easy. As you can see, it's back up and running. Okay. My contacts have automatically synced because I synced them with my Gmail account, so whenever I set up a Gmail account on my phone, it syncs my contacts. So anyway, that is my tutorial, and I'm not responsible for you doing anything that violates your warranty or costs you money. This is something that I know how to fix. So I'm very comfortable with it. I know how it works. So anyway, enjoy, and hopefully this was helpful.